Today I'm going to be filming a DIY mask tutorial for you. A little backstory, I've had acne for like 10 years. It's so much fun. I've tried everything.
And I mean everything.
I've tried obviously all of the over-the-counter stuff, salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, so many different like masks they sell, cleansers of all kinds, moisturizers. I obviously did the dermatologist thing several times. It worked like once, and then after that, once my skin got bad again and I went back, like I just couldn't do it anymore. It made my skin too dry. I hated it. So after that I kind of like started getting into basically making my own skincare. So I'm going to be showing you the mask that I've designed for acne. It's made of all natural ingredients. It's never affected my skin in a bad way, and I can't see how it would affect anyone's skin in a bad way. They're all very mild ingredients. So if you follow this tutorial like I explain, then I feel like it would really help your acne too, but you'll just have to try it and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and show you guys what I do. So the first thing I do is get a little glass bowl, and then as you can see I have some green tea capsules, which you can just get those at the grocery store. Green tea is very anti-inflammatory for your skin, and I also find that this makes your skin a lot softer. But yeah, inflammation is a huge part of acne, so whenever you combat that, you're helping a lot of things. And then after this, the next thing I do is use this. It's actually a bath treatment, but it's just colloidal oatmeal. So it's literally just oatmeal. It's very soothing to the skin, so that's really good. And the last thing I use is actually honey. It's kind of weird, but honey makes your face very soft for one, and for two, it's antibacterial. So if bacteria is something that contributes to your acne, then that will really help. The last thing is just a little bit of water, and then you stir until it's like really just all blended together very well, no chunks. Notice that whenever I apply this, I'm not doing it in any fancy or attractive way. I'm literally just slapping it on my face until it covers every single spot, basically. I put it on my jawline too, because I get hormonal acne there, especially if I ever eat dairy. But yeah, once everything is covered, I let it sit on my face for basically until it dries. I usually do about 10 minutes or so. But if you keep it on for longer, it doesn't really hurt. Either way, whenever you take it off, your face is so soft. And yeah. So after about 10 minutes, I wash it off, and then I basically just dry my face and moisturize. If you guys try this mask out, let me know. I know that it will help your skin so much, and I'll be so happy to hear if it does. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.